This is Scout's first bath with us.
I'm going to dry him a little more. You should have seen him in the tub. He looked like a drowned rat. Looked half his size.
Ooh, crazy munchkin.
Okay, I'm going to get you a little more, and then you can go out. Alright, here we go.
Did you get his winky?
Well, I thought he did.
When you're using soap?
Yes.
Okay. Hang on. What you doing, buddy?